Acyclic saturated hydrocarbons are known as alkanes, and the common name for alkanes is paraffins. Why this name has been given? Paraffins, if you break that down, para means little, affinus means affinity. So alkanes have only little affinity towards other molecules. What does that mean? That means alkanes do not show much reactivity. They do not react with other molecules. That is why they have been called as paraffins. The molecules having little affinity. Affinity means liking. So they don't like other molecules, so they don't react with other molecules. Alright. So alkanes are also known as paraffins. Now, we in alkanes, the general formula is CnH2n plus 2. If you put n equals to 1, the formula shows the molecule has a formula of CH4, and this is known as methane. It's a gas, and it is also known as marsh gas. It is found in marshy places, at damp places this gas has been found. Alright. Next, if we put value of n or the number of carbons equals to 2, the formula becomes C₂H₆, and this is known as ethane. Similarly, for n equals to 3, formula becomes C₃H₆, this is known as propane, and so on. For n equals to 4, C₄H₆, that is known as butane, right. So similarly, you will have pentane, hexane, heptane, octane, nonane, decane, ondecane, dodecane. So the list goes on like that, depending on the number of carbon atoms. If the number of carbon atom is 1 to 4, methane to butane, these molecules are basically gaseous. Methane is a gas, butane is a gas. So where do you see these? I think we all use these in our daily lives. The LPG gas, liquefied petroleum gas, we use in our cylinders or cooking gas, is a mixture of alkanes. Majority of them is propane and butane. Similarly, we have compressed natural gases, CNG, we have diesel, we have petrol. All these are basically alkanes. Alright. So whatever we are using in today's life as a fossil fuel is composed of alkane or alkene mixture. Alright. Now, these alkanes have isomerism. What type of isomerism usually alkanes have? Chain isomerism, position isomerism, or conformational isomerism. Alright. So isomerism in alkanes, we can say, if we have a molecule like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright. Now, if we have another molecule which is like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I remove this 6th atom and I place it here. Now, total number of atoms 3, 4, 5. In the main chain, this is a 6 carbon chain. Alright. And this is a 5 carbon main chain. So if chain is differing, then these two becomes chain isomers. These are called as chain isomers, because main chain here is 6 carbons and this one has 5 carbons. So the main chain has 6 carbon and 5 carbons. Main chain is different, but the total formula, total number of carbons here is 6, here as well 6. The general formula for, or the formula for hexane is C₃H₆. Formula for this compound is also C₃H₆. So the compounds which have same formula but different main carbon chain are called as chain isomers. Alright. So both of these are chain isomers. Similarly, in conformational isomers, we will have a number of isomers which have been originated due to free rotation along carbon-carbon single bond. So we will be studying about them in detail in further classes. Thank you.